Welcome to LAPPS channel. In this video, we are going to learn the supervised classification on Envi. Here, I'm using Worldview 2 imagery, and the region of interest, for 7 classes. To begin, open Envi, load the image, and region of interest as well. There are 7 classes from training area here: seagrass, sand, rubble, coral reefs, macroalgae, land, and deep water. Now, go to Toolbox, Classification, and hit Classification Workflow. Set the image input. Select the bands will be included in classification. In this case, I'll use all bands of this image. If it's ready, hit Next. Choose Use Training Area. And Next. On Training Area option, hit Open to load the training area from Shapefile. Select the file, and hit OK. Wait until all region of interest from class is loaded. As I mentioned before, I have 7 classes as training area. Change the colors from training area if needed. From the Algorithm tab, choose the algorithm you want to use. Here I'll use the maximum likelihood algorithm. Now, hit Next, and the image will be processed. After processing completed, we can enable post-processing option, smoothing, and aggregation. Let it enable. And, Next. On last step, we can export the classification result as the raster file and vector file. Click Browse to save and edit the file name. And hit Finish. Now, we have the classification result from the image. Thanks for watching and don't forget to practice. See you on next tutorial.